Grandma, what are we making?
We're making waffles.
Waffles. Okay, how much Bisquick are you putting in there?
Well, we're doubling the recipe, so we're going for 4 cups.
4 cups of Bisquick. Does it have to be the low-fat one?
No.
Heart Smart? No? Okay.
Yeah,
But everything's for cholesterol.
I have been using the
Low-fat one, okay. It still comes out good?
Yeah.
2 eggs.
Okay, do we have 2 eggs?
And
A little headshot in there, too. So, 1 egg.
2 eggs.
2 eggs. How much water was
We're
that?
doubling. So I put in like a cup and a half of liquid so far.
Does that include the milk?
Yes.
Okay, so water and milk to equal a cup and a half.
And then liquid to the desired consistency.
Only a tablespoon of oil.
Has that ever been used for paint?
No, it's only been
It's a kitchen.
Wait, let's see the brush.
pastry brush.
Pastry brush.
Yeah.
And we're going to oil the waffle iron.
A little
Paper towel.
overdid that. Yeah.
You know, Grandma, I actually think your waffles taste better just because you make them.
Maybe that's true.
Because Mom does the same thing and she burns them. I'm going to get lighting in here right after this. A what?
Toastmaster?
It's not frozen. So just a reheat.
Yeah, we're going to heat it. We don't want it cold. It'll make the waffles really cold.
Almost done?
It's getting there.
Oozing outside.
And I just use this one.
Oh, that was too fast. You do it again.